Hi everybody and welcome back to another Makeup Monday. I know this is really basic and this isn't like me doing makeup because I'm still like in my uniform from work, and this is my face for work though. This is what I look like going to work. Guys, I have just done a little haul on Beauty Bay because they've had a really good sale, and I got some products that I needed to kind of update for the kit, and then other products that I was just like, these are a bargain, like let me get them. So me and my sister, we had this great notion. Oh, before I tell you about our great notion, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things because I will forget to say this. Anyhow, me and my sister had this great notion that we were going to go to Italy, and we were like, we can't go to Italy without getting new makeup. So she's in Ireland, I'm here. We both are on the website Beauty Bay. We're both ordering the same things without us even knowing until we go through our shopping basket. We're like, what did you get? I got this. So did I. What did you get? I got that. So did I. So we're like, shit, the two of us have gone and gotten the same things, but we're in different countries, so it kind of counts, right? So I have now received my box from Beauty Bay. So I thought it'd be kind of a cool little Makeup Monday video for us to do it together, because y'all know I'm shit at doing Makeup Mondays. I'm rarely ever on. So let's do it together. There we go. Oh, hey, you. Right, let's see what I got, even though I know already, but sure. Oh, right. So I got the Argiline solution, which I wanted to get the Matrixyl as well, but I didn't have enough money to buy the two, so we're just going with this one for now. But this is like, it's really good, like an anti-wrinkle peptide complex to apply a few drops to the forehead and around the eyes in the morning and evening. Is that what you're supposed to use it for? I usually use it on my whole face. Yeah, targets the appearance of dynamic fine lines, which is these ones. And anything that moves basically is dynamic. So yeah, that's that. Oh, face palette. This is nice. Nice. I have not done a haul with Beauty Bay in the longest of times. Like I actually checked, I think it was like 22 or 21 when I last did a haul with them. Like I have not bought from them in the very longest times. And like I know you're from going, you don't need the makeup anyway. I know. But I like it. So I got this palette. It's the face palette called Charmed Light. Oh, very nicely packaged. That is not breaking. That's really good. I like that. So I got this one. That is beautiful. I love them colours. And I got these because when I tan, I like to go quite dark with my bronzer, but that is a really good contour. Now, let's see what the swatch is. Even though I'm as pale, I'm like a ghost. I'm Casper without tan. So we're going to go with the bronzer is called Spice and the contour is called Cacao. Okay, so we've got Spice, yes. Look at that for pigmentation, yes. Oh, Cacao is pigmented. Oh, they're beautiful looking. They'd even be nice eyeshadows. And this one is Rosewood and the highlighter is called Radiant. Okay, keeping it simple. So, Radiant, Gentle Glow. I think that might be too dark for my skin tone, but we'll see. And, oh yes, look at that blush. You don't need a bit of that. Oh, beautiful. Now I know this palette is probably for like medium to dark skin tones, but I like to be quite tanned when I go out, so I'll mute them down. I won't be using them so pigmented, but they are gorgeous. Look at that. That palette was only a $5, lads. A $5. Honestly, you couldn't go wrong with that. Don't turn to me now. I'm going to the gym later, so it'll be grand. Right, I also got two little highlighters because I like my highlighters really pale, and I got this one in the colour 0C1 and 0C2. I should have maybe got 0C3, but now one is a little bit more yellow toned than the other. The C2 is a little bit more yellow toned than the C1. C1's a little bit pinky. Can't really see that there. And when I say yellow tones and like red tones, if you ever worked with MAC, you know what I'm on about. Yeah, more yellow, more red. Yeah, they'll be fine. They'll be grand. They'll be for me. I also got this Suva Hydra Fix thing. I have been going mad looking for a red eyeliner. I really wanted to be like more vibrant this summer with my makeup, especially with my eyeliners. That's kind of my thing. I love a good eyeliner. No, I can't get the damn thing out. And I love a red eyeliner. I had one years ago from NYX. It was a liquid one. it dried up so quickly. And I was in there with NYX the week and I was having a look at what they had, and the red they have now, it's not a red, it's a brown. It's like a burnt orangey brown. I was like, that's not red. But this one is the Doodle D UV pots. So it's got like pink and orange. How cool is that? So you activate these with water and then you go ahead and draw your eyeliner on. So I thought that was kind of cute. I also got 2 blushers, I think it was. Yeah. So one should be a vibrant pink. The last time I bought these, they didn't come in such nice little packaging. Come in like this. The last time I bought these, they literally came like that with a little sticker across them, like very basic. This is Blossom. Oh, I am getting MAC vibes from this one now. Let me think. A peachy keen. Oh, very much so. Yeah. Very much so like peachy keen. It's mad I can still remember all the names of most of the products I ever used when I worked with MAC. I can still always refer other products back to them. I was with MAC for way too long. I became obsessed. But if you're a MAC girl, you're a MAC girl. Or guy, whichever. Once you know your products, you know your products. I'm just gonna rip this because I can't be arsed with it. Come out. I hope this is me blue. I was looking for a bubblegum pink. It's gonna give me torture, this one. Come out, Jesus. Need to get me nails done. Can't afford that either. Right, so this one, oh, come out, will you, for God's sake. Right, now it listens. Oh, it is, yes, bubblegum. Right, let's have a look, let's have a look. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. That is going to be epic for summer. Let's see what the swatch is like. Love it. Oh, yes. It's so nice with a good tan and a bright pink lip. Yes. Oh, love it. Love, love, love. Okay, cool. Anyhow, never mind. I get distracted very easily. That is gorgeous. So bright, so pigmented. It actually is a lot brighter now in real life than it looks like on camera. So that's diffusing me massively. But yeah, I think that's everything. I didn't get any lipsticks or anything this time because, well, I didn't really need any. Oh, I get 15% off my next order. Thank you. Probably because I haven't ordered with them in ages. They're like, you used to buy shit tons from us. And I did. But I haven't been back to Beauty Bay in a long time. And if it wasn't for me and my sister kind of having a look, going through stuff that we don't really need. And like, I did have lip glosses and things that I saw there as well that I wanted, but I was like, I don't need them. I just want them. They looked really nice. Would I wear them? Yes, of course I wear all my makeup. But yeah, makeup addiction is not for the faint of heart. Not for the faint of heart. We just use a lot of makeup. So guys, I've got lovies and leavies. This is a very quick makeup Monday, but yeah, I just thought I'd have to show you my little haul from Beauty Bay. Not a bad one, if I do say so myself. But yeah, like that cost me 30 quid. Like, to be fair, that's quite good for 30 quid. 3 blushers, really, if you think of the palette as well. A bronzer, contour, highlighter. 2 concealers. What else did I get? An eyeliner. 2 eyeliners technically, and some serums. Like, 30 quid, that's actually bargain. I think the serum was one of the dearest. I think that was £9. But yeah, I've got movies and leavies now. I have to go and do stuff. I shall talk to you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Mwah!